Look, 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 look. Ah! Uh-oh. Blood. 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 Blood.
What's up everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how we made our garden fence without any experience or expertise. We don't know much about it, but we got the job done and we hope this gives you ideas for your own garden. First, we laid down tarp and wood chips. Before doing this, my dad already put up posts on the four corners of our garden, so we knew where to put the tarp. We put down tarp and wood chips around the initial posts, so the grass wouldn't grow in those areas. It's pretty hard to mow around them.
Can you give me wood chips?
Okay, help Nana. Use cardboard to kill the weeds. Now I'm cutting up cardboard boxes to lay under the wood chips. There's a gap between our tarp and our raised beds, so we're using cardboard to suppress the weeds and grass that would grow there.
You can do that too.
Nana hates them weeds. She's so funny. Then we put in the middle post.
See that? That center, that's supposed to be the center right there. Is it center? Then we're good, right? Yeah. We are good.
Yeah. Wait.
Right there. Now you're ready.
While my dad was putting in more posts, my mom and I decided to get a head start on the other sides of the fence.
Yeah.
All right, here we go again. After that, my dad and I measured how much wire we would need for the front end of the fence. Then we cut up how much we needed. This was way harder than it looked. We finally put up the wire, and we stretched it. No one wants a wobbly fence. This step is crucial. It's a bit difficult to stretch wire, but it will be well worth it. The last step we did to finish the front end was to connect the wire to posts with zip ties. Here, my dad is tying them so our fence is nice and tight. And that's it. My dad put in a few more posts to make sure the wire had enough support, while my mom and I started on the right side. He also started putting posts on the left side. We continued steps 1 through 7 as we tried to finish the rest of the fence.
Hold it there. Hold it there.
Yeah,
hurry
this
up.
part was pretty hard for me.
Look, 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 look. Ah! Uh-oh. Blood. 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 Blood.
Our camera died before we could show you the rest, but here is the finished product. We haven't had any problems with deer on this side of the garden. I guess they're too scared to jump a fence this high. Do you have a fence in your garden? If so, how did you do it? We're total amateurs at this, so we would love some tips. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and let us know what videos you want to see next. We love taking requests, so hit us up. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Happy gardening, guys.